LiveGood isn't just a business. It's a movement transforming lives from the inside out. I've lost 100 pounds. My A1C dropped 5 points. My energy, my confidence, and my purpose are back. As I've shared with Nodder, Lisa, and Dr. Ryan Goodkin, LiveGood represents far more to me than income. It's value, quality, and purpose united with integrity. My journey of healing has been one of faith and resilience. I believe God is using my story to inspire others who are fighting to reclaim their health and their life. You can take care of your body, join a supportive community, and even generate extra cash flow for your family. Thank you, Ben, for leading with humility, vision, and purpose. I'm proud to represent LiveGood, and even prouder to serve others through it. If you want to explore how LiveGood could help transform your health and your future, visit JoinArmando.com to take your free tour and review my story. One decision can change everything.